Welcome to day 14, 2 weeks into this challenge. Let's go ahead and I'm going to give you your daily challenge themed around celebration. So our word today is celebrate. And the way that I want you to step out of your comfort zone today, I want you to wear something you would normally never wear. I feel like a lot of us have these items in our closet that we're saving maybe for a special occasion. Something that you feel like you want to wear, but you're maybe a little bit self-conscious about. It could be your makeup, it could be your hair, it could be your accessories, whatever it is. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I want you to just dress yourself up out of your comfort zone, and then I want you to take a selfie and I want you to share it, okay? It'll be fun, I promise. You can do this. So if you're in our Facebook group, that's a great way to share that. You can also just post it on Instagram or on your own Facebook or anywhere, And it's okay. If you don't want to connect with us online, totally fine, but still please do this challenge. Just see what it's like if you were to let yourself do something different than how you normally do it. I know I get in these ruts. I work from home. I end up just being in like my leggings or whatever, or like I'll stay in my pajamas or just my yoga pants. And, I don't bother with like getting all made up or whatever. And I notice that if I do that for too long, it does tend to negatively affect my mental health. And I have so many things in my closet that I never wear because I feel like it doesn't fit the occasion, or it's too fancy, or it's too this, too that, whatever. Let's all forget about that today. Wear it because you have it, because you love it, because it makes you feel good. Doesn't matter if it fits in, if it's conventional, if it's what people are used to seeing you in. Just dare to do something a little bit different. And, comfort zones are different for each person. For some people, a huge step out of the comfort zone could be like putting a different shade of lipstick, or wearing different kinds of shoes. And for others, it's going to be like a full, complete, total makeover with a tiara, and fairy wings or whatever. I don't want you to be too judgmental about that. If it feels a little bit scary, you're on the right track, and just go with that. So have fun, celebrate, dress up, do something that makes you feel good. And if you'd like, please take a photo and share it with us so we can all just kind of support ourselves in this journey of getting out of our own way and stepping out of our comfort zones. Okay, I'll check in with you tomorrow for day 15.